Hey everyone, how's it going? Just me again, doing another small little replacement part. Today, just going to do the engine air filter. I think it's a real quick project, I've never done it before, and let's see how we do. Oh, it'll only take a few minutes, I assume. But let me reiterate, I've never done this, and we're just going to wing it. Hopefully nothing bad happens. So, let's see how that looks. So, filter should be in here. Got a replacement filter yesterday. I think you just have to open up the box. Let's get a nice little, get a little closer there. Yeah, just gotta open up this box, take out the old filter, replace it with the new one. Let's see how that goes. So you unclip, then you back it out. Make sure you don't hit this windshield wiper fluid tube. There you go. Yep, that needs to be replaced. Oh yeah. Very different color. So, there we go. That's the shape. I don't have any part number. Oh, there we go. Made in Mexico. We got our Delco A3137C. And our new part, which is also made in Mexico, slightly different part. There you go, 23031-8-1 with that P33478. Yep. Look about the same. Let's see them side by side. And the back. Just different colors. This one's definitely used. So while you're in here, you might as well clean out what you see. I see a couple leaves just chilling. Let's take all that out. It's not doing me any good in here. This car's been off for a while, so nothing's hot. Basically just woke up, started doing this. And I'm gonna go grab the vacuum. Vacuum that out. And fairly clean. There's actually a little catch down there, little holes at the very bottom, so that's just to let any small particles out, but I think the leaves were catching a bunch. So if you guys want to look up in there. Little collection area. Yeah, just reinsert. And I got this filter for 20 something bucks, $23. That was with a coupon and discount code. You can get high performance filters and stuff. I'm not really about that right now. It's actually a little bit of glue is sticking. There we go, sticking out. But she fits. Then you put in these little tabs at the back end here. You're gonna have to slide them in first. And coming? There we go. Yeah. Okay. So there's 3 tabs I just slid into. Gonna push down, click this one in. This one. One. That one clicked, but not very loud. And I think that's it. We're done. Nice and tight. And that is changing the engine air filter. Real quick job. Well, hope you guys learned something. Let me know if I made any mistakes. Appreciate it. So I can go back before something bad happens. But I doubt it. You never know. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.